Black Duck's product release roundup. Faster fixes, smarter security. Welcome to our latest Black Duck product update. We know how fast your teams are moving and how tough it can be to keep security in step. That's why we're excited to share some of our latest product updates across the Black Duck portfolio. These updates are about helping you reduce noise, fix faster, and keep your software secure, from development to production. Now let's jump in. Security where you work. Black Duck Security GitHub app. First, there's the Black Duck Security GitHub app. Your developers are already working there, so we brought security to them. This new GitHub app makes it easy for teams to onboard and configure automated Polaris, Black Duck SCA, and Coverity scans from their GitHub repositories. You can automate SAST and SCA scans on every commit and PR. You can use policies to block risky code from being merged. And Seraph support brings Black Duck findings into your GitHub advanced security dashboards. So what does this mean to you? Developers stay focused, AppSec gets visibility, everybody moves faster. Polaris, from alert fatigue to action. We've also introduced a number of improvements to the Polaris platform this quarter. First, Polaris gives you even smarter prioritization and governance. Improved risk scoring and policy filters help you zero in on what's exploitable and business critical. Issue exclusions clean up dashboards and reduce false positives. SCA component editing helps you refine and improve the accuracy of SBOMs. So now, instead of chasing alerts, you're making smarter decisions faster. Polaris gets faster, efficiency that matches your speed. Speaking of speed, we've made other improvements to Polaris to improve velocity. Polaris now allows teams to choose between rapid scans and full scans for static analysis in SEM and CI workflows. These sub-2-minute rapid scans are perfect for PR workflows, while deeper scans run during merges and nightly builds are better for comprehensive analysis. And the new triage approval workflow adds a review checkpoint before triage changes go live, giving you audible decisions without slowing delivery. DevOps and CI/CD automation, guardrails at release speeds. Let's talk DevSecOps automation. Your teams are shipping fast and security needs to keep up. That's why we've added new automation across the DevOps workflow. With Polaris, you can now trigger fast dynamic scans from Jenkins, GitHub, GitLab, Azure DevOps, and Bitbucket. You get policy-based pass-fail rules that enforce standards automatically. And Jira and Azure DevOps exports now automatically push the right evidence, like endpoint details, from fast dynamic scans into your tickets. Are you looking to prevent vulnerable code from being released into production through automation? Well, Coverity fail PR support can configure to block risky code at merge within GitHub. That means AppSec that scales within your pipelines without slowing down. AI and developer experience. Fix faster and learn smarter. Now let's shift to the developer experience. Just released, Black Duck Assist, our AI AppSec assistant, brings AI-powered remediation and natural language queries into Polaris and the CodeSite IDE plugin. Developers can get explanations of SAST findings, analysis of their code, and AI-generated code fixes directly in the IDE. Plus, they can use natural language to get answers to configuration, scanning, and remediation questions. In Polaris Fast Dynamic, we've added AI-assisted authentication that handles MFA, OAuth, and GraphQL, so you can get authenticated DAST at scale with way less setup. Are you shipping AI features? Seeker now flags data leak risk in LLM transactions, and Defense6 fuzzing can now detect prompt injection vulnerabilities in services that interact with LLMs. Software supply chain and governance, proof on demand. Security doesn't stop at the code. It's about trust across the entire software supply chain. New this quarter, Black Duck SCA now supports SPDX 3.0 so that your SBOMs are audit ready and aligned with current standards. Binary analysis gets a boost with better container component detection using chain guard data. We've added support for Rust and Open WRT, and CVSS 4.0 scoring gives you sharper vulnerability assessments. So when customers or auditors ask for proof, you've got it. Usability and workflow, scale without the stress. Next, we've made it easier to manage security at scale, now available in Software Risk Manager. We have bulk actions to speed up triage and remediation, custom dashboards for executives, leads, and dev teams, this means no more manual exports, and new version management rules that let you delegate safely. It's all about simpler operations, clearer accountability, and more momentum across your AppSec program. Wrapping up, what this means for you. We've shipped a lot this quarter, but here are a few updates we are especially wanting to highlight. Tighter integration with GitHub, where your developers already work. Smarter prioritization and governance in Polaris. Faster scans and smoother workflows. Automation that keeps pipelines fast. AI and IDE native tools for faster fixes. Audit-ready SBOMs and modern risk scoring. And workflow upgrades that make triage and reporting easier. Now that's just a slice of what we've been working on. To explore everything that's new, head over to blackduck.com or join in on the conversation in our customer community.